The city skyline awakens as the first blush of dawn paints the horizon, a quiet symphony of light and shadow. Aman, silhouetted against the nascent sun, sits in profound solitude on a prayer mat, a figure of peaceful devotion. With eyes closed, his face reflects a serene contemplation, a deep well of faith and inner peace. His deliberate movements radiate a calm and unwavering purpose, a stark contrast to the stirring city below. He embodies a quiet strength, his spirit deeply connected to something greater as the world begins to stir. In his simple home, Aman sits at a small desk, illuminated by a single warm lamp. He reads intently from the Qur'an, his face bathed in the soft glow of the lamplight. Aman's expression shows deep concentration, a subtle smile touching his lips as he absorbs the verses. Occasionally, a thoughtful frown crosses his features, reflecting his profound engagement with the sacred text. The modest room, imbued with quiet dignity, mirrors Aman's spiritual focus, transcending material wealth. Golden sunlight filters through the lush leaves of a vibrant garden, painting the scene with a tranquil glow. Aman, his silver-streaked hair catching the light, walks slowly, a gentle smile gracing his lips. He passes a small, flourishing fruit tree, its branches laden with ripe, colorful fruit, symbolizing abundance. Aman stops to admire a patch of vibrant flowers, their hues radiating a profound sense of peace. The garden is bathed in an ethereal light, a serene reward for his lifelong journey, filled with ultimate contentment.